You leave me notes before you leave, and lipstick on the bathroom mirror. The way you love could part the sea. I'm thankful that you want me, dear. Do you think about how these paths all lead us to somewhere? Do you think about traveling and growing old? A couple of kids when I was holding your hair back. Now we got our own future, our own stretch of road. The way you dress up on a warm night still gives me the shivers. I will confess you to the starlight when we go down to the river. Making up takes little time, because you laugh when you get mad. And when I wrap my arms around you, suddenly we just forget. Do you think about where we're living, kids in the front yard? Do you think about traveling and growing old? Put a couple of fences up so dogs don't escape when mailman delivers us a pot of gold. The way you dress up on a warm night still gives me the shivers. I will confess you to the starlight when we go down to the river. I used to fear the vast and great unknown, but now I'll never face that world alone. You leave me notes before you leave, and lipstick on the bathroom mirror. The way you love is shaking me. I'm thankful that you want me here. The way you dress up on a warm night still gives me the shivers. I will confess you to the starlight when we go down to the river. The way you dress up on a warm night still gives me the shivers. Still gives me the shivers. The way you dress up on a warm night still gives me the shivers.
I didn't know what my heart was in for till you stepped into the room. And I didn't show, but I wanted to know everything I could about you. See, I was told the dreams were made to be believed in, so I put every single dream in you. But you set the bar so high above the sky, and you nailed it to the floor. 'Cause for some odd reason I'm done believing in this one thing I adore. What is loving anymore? And you came to me like a bird to the breeze, and we floated together for a while. But you had to go, now I carry the load. Took off with the wind and my smile. See, I was told the dreams were made to be believed in, so I put every single dream in you. But you set the bar so high above the sky, and you made What is loving anymore? Ooh,
What is loving anymore?
ooh,
What is loving anymore?
But you set the bar so high above the sky, and you nailed it to the floor. 'Cause for some odd reason I'm done believing in this one thing I adored. What is loving anymore?
Know what I'm about. I like to mess around. Throw parties at the house soon. Your boyfriend chasing clout. He's scared of missing out, but he ain't gotta know what we doing. We ain't got nowhere to be, living out wild and free. Girl, let's make it a 3. Not a round up on my sleeve. She said she don't wanna leave, ain't even playing for keeps. Oh yeah. Can't nobody tell me what I can do. Got a plenty aces that life hands you. Feeling like my body understands you. Maybe we could take this all the way. Spend another day chilling, making layups. If you're feeling down, well, there's a way up. All about that bread, I got my cake up. Maybe I just need another taste. Love the way you sway. Lately I've been feeling like my life is in a movie. I call it every night and every day. 'Cause I don't ever let the fame or money fool me. I gotta stay consistent in my ways. Oh yeah. We ain't got nowhere to be, living a wild and free. Girl, let's make it a 3. Not a one up on my sleeve. She said she don't wanna leave.